What's up guys, your boy Freddy back with another video. Guys, if you're watching this right now, we're at the October Truck Madness show, so stop by the booth. We're gonna be here all day. This is the day before, of course. But if you're watching this right now, because we're posting this early, we're gonna be at the airport shootout. So you guys make sure to stop by the booth and pick up some merch. And check us out too on the burnout pit. We're gonna be in there with the whole gang. Also guys, make sure to hit the subscribe button, drop a comment, and the link on the first comment is the link to pick up merch. This week only, 20 times entries. Go shop. What's up guys, aquí andamos, ya saben, we're gonna take Turbo out for a run right now real quick with the booster board. And yeah, we got Shelby number 1 and Shelby number 2. That one I left it with all the stickers and everything, just for whenever we take it out.
Oh, sí, ¿verdad?
Yeah,
Esto no.
It's got all the stickers and where they're supposed to be. And we're gonna leave it just like that. Even if we take it to a show, we're gonna take it with all the things. This one I took everything off except that 93 thing, but I'm gonna take it off right now.
Ahora nomás falta eso.
Yeah, I'm gonna take that off too. Big shout out to Galo 4 though, but I gotta take that out so it can look really clean. Yesterday we went to Nitrous outlet and we got a couple goodies. So I went to the shop, I had the Corvette, and I forgot that I had left all the stuff inside this truck. Got to the shop, I was like, hey, we gotta install those parts that we got yesterday from Nitrous outlet. And now I'm like, well, let me go back and get the truck. So we're taking the truck over there to the shop right now, and we're gonna do a little unboxing on all the parts we got from Nitrous outlet yesterday.
Quiero que le metan unas mías.
Unas más millitas, yeah. I think I'm just gonna drive it to the show. The
¿Sí?
HPT shootout. Damn it, boy. Damn it, boy, guys, check it out. So we unloaded everything, and I got me these stickers, custom made. Yeah, Freddy L6. So you already know, if y'all see me driving around with the mamalona, it's because what's up, anda fallando. Check it out, we got another one over here. Alright, vamos a ver ya los mandaron los de Nitrous outlet. Guys, so like I said, we picked up stuff from Nitrous outlet yesterday. Right now we're gonna do a little unboxing so you guys can see everything we got. Let's get it. Big shout out to Nitrous outlet. I'm gonna check out their Instagram. We're gonna put it right there. Bien duras esos staples, wait. Ay, ¿qué pasó? So la primer caja. Mira más. Algo levesón, nomás para las cocas. Nitrous outlet, and then in the back, we shout out to Dog Master, the Gap sauce. Y acá. Double the trovo, guys. Holy macaroni. También perra las bottles. One nomás para poner ahí en la office. Got a couple of shirts.
Large.
Ahí acá está otra shirt.
XL. No,
Puro Nitrous outlet, ya saben. You already know. They sell merch too, guys, so if you guys want to pick up a Nitrous outlet shirt, it is on their website. Some gauges, mamalonas. Son para los tanques, ¿verdad, Joey? What we got here, what is this?
Nitrous controller.
It's a window regulator.
See?
Window regulator. Yeah.
We got the badass Nitrous outlet decals. I don't know, but it looks cool. Oh,
Bottle heater.
It's a bottle heater, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, boy, you got us a bottle heater, some more fittings. We got us the wiring kit. Now, when I was up there, they did explain to us that they are setting out whole wiring kits. So whenever you guys buy the kit, you can also order the wiring kit from them. So you don't have to guesstimate, go into AutoZone and trying to figure out what gauge wire or whatever. They sell the kits ready to go. We got, look, we gonna blow up.
Ay, güey.
A third bottle. That's sick. You know us. Billet Nitrous bottle holders.
Bracket. Bottle
yeah.
bracket.
Billet Nitrous bottle bracket. Eh? Sheesh.
Está mamalón
Ay,
ese,
hijo de su
no
pinche.
chingue.
Check it out, check it out. Damn it, boy. We got all the goodies. Holy macaroni. Of course, we got the solenoids and the
Plate.
bracket
The plate.
and the plate.
The plate.
Of course, we got the solenoids and the plate, which we're gonna mount on the GMC, which is sitting right here. Y'all, you guys are gonna see us. Now, we're gonna race and stuff, and we're gonna shoot the nitrous, but then we're gonna be in the burnout pit, and we're gonna hit the nitrous as well. If it blows, it blows. We got some more wiring. Oh, the perch kit.
That's the first.
Holy macaroni. Désela, Omar. Ya,
Órale.
regresa para acá para que usted mire aquí estamos.
How you doing?
There you go, guys. There you go, guys. And of course, we got our red. Huh? Open that one up. Let's get to that jar. You know, man. Chulada. And wherever we park this truck, we gonna have the nitrous outlet right there, just like that. Another one. Holy macaroni. So we're gonna put one inside the shop over there, the store, and then we're gonna put one out here. Damn it, boy. I think I found a place for it right on top of over there. So yeah, guys, so like I said, all this is going on the GMC. Darwin and Vargas are gonna get down with it right now. They're gonna be installing the bottles and running the wires, and then we're gonna fill these up at the event Saturday. So hopefully they have nitrous.
We can go
Friday?
it out today.
Yeah, we can fill it out Friday.
Friday
Just
at
to
the,
have him ready.
No, but I think I want to fill it out today so we can check the kits, you know, in case like
Oh,
you
yeah,
know
yeah, yeah.
something.
Don't we have one
sneaky.
already?
No.
It's in the Jeep.
Pero dónde vamos a llenarnos aquí?
I'm gonna
I
go
know.
see on the place.
Oh,
Right here in Conroe.
también este güey está. Okay, so yeah, guys, we got 3 nitrous bottles. We got the kit, we got the whole shebang, the mounts, we got the wiring, the perch kit, everything, guys. So right now we're gonna get to it, install all this on the GMC, and hopefully we can start doing the purging and everything, so you guys could get a view of what it's gonna look like whenever we're in the burnout pit.
Yes, sir.
And of course we got the badass nitrous outlet decals. We're gonna put some of these on the GMC, and yeah, it's gonna get lit. Big shout out, like I said, to Nitrous Outlet. Guys, go on their Instagram and let them know how grateful we are. Go give them a follow for them coming through with all these parts that we got for us, and yeah, so let's get to it.
Yes, sir.
Let's install
Thank you. Thank you, Nitrous Outlet.
Yes, sir. That's a pretty bad kit.
the best of the best.
Look at this. Yeah.
That's nice.
Really badass. And now they're doing the hard wires. He was telling us it's gonna look real nice. So let's see.
Like this.
Go ahead. Alright guys, so we just put on our nitrous outlet gear because we finna install this kit.
We're trying to see where we can, like how we can put this plate on it, because we're trying to use this bracket right here. But we need to figure it out to find the right place.
¿Qué pasó, güey?
Estamos viendo. Lo ponemos así.
Muy levantado.
¿Y del otro lado? Chingue su madre, quitamos el hood. Boy, you see this gear?
A la madre.
We better watch out. This is not
Where's my shirt?
This is nitrous outlet, my boy. You're late to the party. You out there around somewhere. I don't know. Mira. Ya me voy. A ver, este pedo. ¿Es el traro aquí? No era así, güey.
No cabe, pero este.
Tiene que ir con el tag para arriba, ¿no?
Oh, pero mira, este se puede voltear.
Sí.
Y luego
Los fittings. Tiene que ir con esto para arriba.
Sí.
So, tiene que ir así.
Yes, sir.
Uy, tiene su pedo ahí.
Estamos viendo a ver si nos pega aquí o si no necesitaremos.
Cortar el ese because we got the cow hood anyways.
Yeah.
You already have everything. You have the support and
Let's
all
say cut
that.
it.
Alright guys, so we're trying to figure out how we're gonna install this plate on here. Now, if we put it here, then it's gonna be on the way of the hood closing. But what we could do is just chop this off, and we should still be good. Desde aquí de abajo, ya está apuntalado. Ahí. Está el pinche lente, vale.
Ahora sí se pone.
¿Se agarran todo?
Donde quiera.
Come on, team. Everybody, come on. We got some fun out here. Woo! Ahorita le siguen ahí. Come on, Omar. Record. Guys, I present to you Project Torque ice cream truck.
Vamos. Es sin gas.
Just kidding, we got $100 to spend on ice cream, so we decided to get all the guys out the shop and get some ice cream. You get the ice cream? Oh my God, ice cream! It's ice cream! You like it? Say hi.
Por favor. Ay, sí, está bien. ¿Algo más? Sí.
¿Qué voy a pagar?
Y una...
I'm probably gonna get
You got your ice cream?
Let me say, I love ice cream. Hey, do you want me to open it?
¿Se rompió? Sí. Ponte de cambio. ¿Vas a?
Yes. Oh, my stomach is gonna be hurting.
Go all out. ¿Qué es eso?
Es una rusa.
¿La mexicana? ¿Fresa?
¿Fresa y usted?
Oh yeah, guys, we're gonna eat good.
Need more. Unos churros de esos y una soda.
Unos de esos con también, sí, con salsa y una soda. Coca.
Hey, strawberry, but this is like
Así es.
Mexican.
Mira, bebé, así o más.
Ah, échame las orillas, Mike. Ahí así. Y luego me duele la
Me da
pata.
un tostito.
¿Y una coca?
Y una coca.
Una coca así de lata.
No,
Traigo nachos
Yeah.
con queso, nachos con queso y chiles con queso.
Ok, dame nachos con queso.
Nachos con queso, ¿quieres jalapeño?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me go get a napkin, okay? Stay here.
What you gonna get, Omar?
I already got it.
Where is it?
It's inside his stomach.
You ate it?
I didn't eat it. I'm gonna edit it and then I'm gonna eat it.
What is it?
Agarré los chetos esos y también agarré
No sé.
esa nieve ahí con los tres.
Agarre más ya, ¿no quiere nada más?
Voy a agarrar el chicharrón.
Mira. Ay, hijo de la chingada, vale.
Yeah, let me get a fudge bomb pop. Por favor.
No sé. A ver, bájale. No sé si la hizo. ¡Ya! ¿Sí la hizo?
Así. Queda como una pulgada de separado.
Ah, ok.
Ya. Ya, chico. Y
También
aparte
como
se
quiera,
tira-
hay que take these bolts off and lift it up a little bit porque ya ves que batallamos para cerrarle.
Oh, ya. Aflojar los tornillos.
Ya.
What's going on?
Alright guys, so Vargas right now is finna go fill up the nitrous bottles and while Darwin installs the whole thing, the kit, and that way when Vargas gets here with the filled bottles, we'll test it.
Yeah, but now he's just doing the skull. We need to make a top so we can have fuel from the reels. So that's what he's doing right now. After that, I'm gonna come and I'm gonna do the wiring kit.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Ya está. Let's get it.
Let's get it.
Hello?
We went in the car.
O sea, en el carro mío, sí. Mi little rental. Yeah.
Let's get it. Can pass to get a coffee. I need a coffee.
¿Necesitas un café de veras?
Yeah, because I need more energy, way.
Look guys, my little rental. Put it in the back.
I got 2 more. 4.
Oh, snap. Cool. Okay, so what's going on is that Freddie is sending us to go pick up some... Oh, there it is. So what's going on is that Freddie's sending us to go fill up these bottles over there at Dark Knight Specialties with a friend of mine. We're just gonna fill them up over there.
Thank you. Oh, got it. Is it completely empty?
I believe so. Vargas, is they're empty all the way?
Yeah. Yeah, they're brand new.
Oh, they're brand new. Okay.
Yeah, they're brand new.
Gotta cool them out.
Yeah.
They gotta be cold. So while we were waiting for them to cool so he can start doing his whole process for the nitrous, you want to hear that car first or this car first? Everybody, what's going on behind the scenes? But I'm planning a lot of things. But which one do you want to hear first? Time for the next one. You excited? Or you need some coffee?
Maybe later.
10 pounds?
10 pounds.
Alright guys, they are done. They're all filled up. They're heavy as hell. This one's heavy. Talking about
Coffee?
yeah, coffee.
Where the hell are the nitrous bottles?
We used them up trying to get over here because this car is f***ing slow.
A la verga, güey. Ya llenas pesan más.
10 pounds?
10 pounds?
Es lo que decía la pinche de esa vida.
Yeah,
Right?
10 pounds.
Let's see.
Oh wait, just chill.
Good stuff. All right, guys, so we got the bottles filled. We're about to take off. Remember, subscribe. That's done by Shelby. Shelby did this for me. Shout out to Shelby. We're doing it. ¡Hora! A ver, sáquele poquito.
Hay que ponérsela a la colonia una vez.
¿Y se me zafa?
Oh yeah, we got the goods. We got the goods. Yeah, boy. So ya mañana, vale. Ya no se acabó.
Yeah. I mean, if you ever want to fill up, it's literally on 1960. Real quick.
Let's get it, dude. I can't go over 4,000 RPM, but I think that's enough.
No, it's not.
Eh?
Le vas a pisar de más. Hey. No le quiero ganar, vale.
What? You ready?
Vámonos. Calentón.
Alright guys, we're about to dip. The nitrous kit, we're gonna finish installing tomorrow. Tomorrow Vargas is actually gonna bring all the stuff so we can start getting ready, loading up all the merch, loading up the trucks, washing trucks, and everything else to get ready for the October Truck Man show. I mean the April shootout. I keep saying October Truck Man, but it's the April shootout. But both of the shows are badass. So the April shootout is this Saturday. And ahí estamos guys. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and catch you guys on the next one. Let's get it. I'm gonna go raise JR real quick.
Y pues LEDs. Vamos con la meta.